Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. Just want to talk to you about Pangolin really quickly, just to let you see that it's down for the day at the time of this recording, about 5%. Let's see, it is down on the week for, let's see, looks like 24%. It is down for the month, 31%. But check this out, guys. Check this out. On the year, Pangolin is up over 200%. Think about it. One of the things that a lot of us, and I mean all of us, especially as investors, if we're not careful, we'll start looking at the short term instead of looking at the long term. Could you imagine if this was a stock that even if it was down over a certain amount of period of time, but if you look at the 1 year that it's going to be up, this is going to be pretty exciting to think about. Now, altcoin season has not arrived as of yet. If you go back in history and do a little bit of research, go back 4 years ago to this date, you'll see that the majority of altcoins took off. They had their all-time highs, and many of them in February, March, April, May. Got it? Now, there were very, very few that had an all-time high in the month of January. So what I need you guys to do is to understand something. We got to hold on to our convictions. We got to hold on to what we know is going to happen. And also, we got to look at the play. Look at Pangolin right here, 94% bullish. Community sentiment, over 5,000 votes. Guys, it is going to happen. But the thing is, we got to be patient enough to see it happen. Also, not financial advice, but a lot of us have got to be careful. Make sure that you don't get over, how can I say, over leveraged. Make sure that you don't get to the point where all you're doing is investing. You got to make sure to pay your bills, of course, guys. All right, let me leave that alone. Now let's go to what's going on in the Pangolin world. What we're looking at right here, and this is something that we're looking to see happen soon, is the Pangolin V3 should be coming up very soon. So your multi-chain DEX hub building the future at lightning speed, trade seamlessly across blockchains. Let's see what's up here. Brighter, more impactful 2025. Notice that Pangolin's got a real community, folks. So this does have a large community. So there's no playing around. This sucker has support. Nothing to worry about. Pangolin V3 coming soon. The numbers speak. Avalanche traders are riding the wave. Over the past 2 months, 300,000 plus new traders have joined the Pangolin index, pushing the total user count past 1 million. We got a lot of support, people. Think about it. All right. A lot of good things happening on Pangolin. Let me see what's up. Keep going a little bit. All right, let's see what's up here. It says, as you know, that we've been working with Paladin, one of the best audit firms in the country, in the industry for Pangolin V3. They've already sent us their first report, and we've addressed all resolutions. Next step is sharing with them back with Pangolin to finalize the audit. So hopefully they'll be finalizing the audit real soon, guys. That should work out very well. Now, this is my thing. As soon as this V3 takes off and starts, it's going to help Pangolin not tremendously. Now, I want to mention this real quick. Now, another thing that's going to help Pangolin is the fact that Avalanche has not grown as of yet. So let's go ahead and take a look. I want y'all to see one more visual of Pangolin before I talk about any Avalanche stuff. So take a look right here. This is the 1 month, right? So down, 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 right? This is the 1 month P&G. This is for, from what I can see, those market caps that from 6 to 700, as far as like in ranking. Now, take a look at Pangolin. Like I said before, going down, blah, blah, blah. Take a look at that 1 year. I want you to see this. This is P&G, big boy right here. Check this out. It is basically out of those 100, it's like in the top 4 as far as the actual growth over the past 365 days. So what I'm pointing out to you is that amongst, a lot of coins, and I would say amongst this 100 anyways, out of this 100, it's basically in the top 4 of the coins that are growing. So what I want you to see is that even though this particular crypto is down, it's really in very good standings. Now let's go to the Avalanche information here, guys. Avalanche at 35.69. I'm not even talking about Avalanche today, but remember, none of this is financial advice, right? But if it was me, Avalanche at 35.70 is an absolute deal. I'm not even, like I said, talking about Avalanche today, but look at that. Avalanche is going to be heavily tied into Pangolin. So what I'm going to say to you is that nothing has really popped off yet. What is this? February has not even gotten here yet. You got February, you got March, you got April, you got May. You got time to make a move. For those of you who haven't gotten into Pangolin as of yet, my personal opinion, once the V3 starts, I think that's going to be one catalyst, but I think that the major catalyst also is going to be when Avalanche takes off. So just because we're getting a V3 doesn't mean that it's just necessarily going to pop off for Pangolin. So keep that in mind. I want you guys to see that the challenge that I'm thinking of mostly is that if we're not careful, we'll lose patience. There's nobody that should really be depressed right now, because one thing we need to see overall is that for the month of, for the month of January, we shouldn't even have to be worried about this a lot. I want you guys to just take it easy. I want you to just hold what you got. Don't look at selling anything. And if you're having some kind of difficulties, just hold. You don't have to buy every day. You don't have to buy every week. You don't have to buy every paycheck, whatever. Just hold what you got and, be patient. Pay your bills. How about that? But anyways, the main thing we want to do is be patient enough to see that Pangolin is definitely going to pop off. Remember, this is for the year, not for the week, not for the month. Guys, as soon as altcoin season happens, as soon as some of these guys pop off, you're going to be really shocked and surprised. But at the main thing, be patient. Pangolin is not always going to go down. There will be some days when it's going up. Right now, there's still a weeding out of the people. Make sure it's not you. This is Al with Real Life Investing. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.